Day five is client development. I say focusing on client growth, retention, and building long-term value. Sort of unlocking the growth that you already have or the growth opportunity you might already have with current clients. Many agencies, most agencies, I'd say, rely too heavily actually on new business or put the focus too much on it, and whilst underdeveloping their existing accounts. So we're going to start by understanding why that happens, why that occurs. We're going to look at how we differentiate account growth from upselling and cross-selling. Uh, so focusing on adding value, not just selling, but adding value so that we can improve trust and improve relationships. From there, we're going to look at how we build in our what I call commercial conversations. So, how to frame value and pricing, and Alfie, you come in on pricing and stuff like that, and under client development. And the outcome of this session or day, should I say, on client development is leverage really. So it's how increasing value from existing clients, so that we don't have to rely as much on sales and marketing and winning new business, but nevertheless, both are important. Neither can be dropped. But I think sometimes sales and marketing, new business, overshadows the importance of client development. So we're going to build on that, because regular retaining clients, doing regular work for clients, growing clients in terms of their revenue and our input and value to them is the key to growing a stable agency.
Great.